Right, I've ended up, I'm going to do chips with the potato because it's easier. No, don't actually put it that high if you're going to do chips. That was a silly idea. That was a really silly idea. Now, I wouldn't usually do chips like this because, well, there's actually a little bit of tomato in there. But there you go. There'll be tomatoey chips. They're going with tomatoey stuff, right? I'm hoping that will work. I don't know if there's a bit too much oil, maybe, though. That all should do fine soon. I've turned the heat off because I'd rather sort out the chips first and then put this on and then put it all together again in a bit. But yeah, that's how that looks so far. And then obviously, as I said, I'm doing chips now. Sweet potato chips, which are actually really nice. They are really good. So I don't mind doing it. And oh, we have got some plates. I might use a bowl actually because it is tomato stuff. Yeah, so I'm going to use a bowl. Might as well get the bowl out now because it's nearly done. The chips don't actually take that long at all. So I might put that back on actually. Oh, sorry, I forgot that I have to put the gas on as well. Right, I'll put you there. There we go. Gas is on. That's doing real good. Oh, shouldn't really do that at all. It looks alright. What I'm going to do is I'm not even going to look in. I'm going to do these for a little while. And then I'll put the, oh, there's a pea in there. There's a green bean in there, that's not meant to be in there. A bit oily, but there you go. Yeah, nice oily thing. Come on. Suppose I could see if this is done yet. Now, if you're cooking for yourself and someone, don't do this. Well, unless it's your boyfriend or your girlfriend. Because they've snogged you, so they've had your spit in there. Oh, crap. Well, don't worry about it now. I've dropped that on the floor. Whoops. Well, it's not done yet, anyway. Because that did not taste good. But it will be done soon. I was a bit warm. I burnt my tongue a bit there. So yeah, there we go.